Good morning, students of class 3. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I am here again to teach you English literature. Students, we have done all the chapters, all the lessons. Only two poems are left. Okay, and today we will do the first poem, If I Knew, which is on page number 9. If I Knew on page number 9. Now, before we read this poem, I would like to ask you few questions. I would like to ask you a question that if your father tells you that there is a box of chocolates in the house, what would you do? I want to ask you this. If your father or mother tells you that there is a big box of chocolates in this house, what would you do? आप क्या करेंगे अगर आपके पापा या मम्मी आपसे कहते हैं कि इस घर में एक बॉक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? विल यू ट्राई टू सर्च इट? क्या आप उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे? बिल्कुल, यस, यू विल श्योरली ट्राई टू सर्च इट. Why? Because you love chocolates. Don't you, children? Yes, you will do anything. You will go at in every corner, everywhere you will search, under the bed, on the bed, behind the almirah, inside the almirah, in the kitchen, and everywhere you will try to find the box of chocolates. Now, in the same way, the poet Maud Wayman wants to tell us that the smiles on children's face is very important for her. She could do anything for it. What does the poet want to tell us? That she wants to see the smiles on children's faces. She does not want to see frowns and sadness on a child's face, but she wants to see happiness. She wants to see smiles, and for those smiles, she can do anything. She will do anything. पोएट हमें क्या बताना चाहती हैं कि वो बच्चों के चेहरे पे स्माइल्स देखना चाहती हैं, वो उनके चेहरे पे दुख नहीं देखना चाहती, और कैसे उन स्माइल्स को वो उन बच्चों के चेहरों पे लेकर आएंगी, उसके लिए वो कुछ भी करेंगी, कहीं भी जाएंगी, कितना भी हार्ड होगा वो उस काम को करेंगी कि बस बच्चों के चेहरों पे एक मुस्कुराहट आने पाए, एक स्माइल आने पाए. Do you understand now, children, what is the poem about? That the poet is saying she will do anything at all. She will go anywhere, do anything just to have a smile on a child's face. And she wants to remove all the pain and all the agony and all the frowns away from the children's faces. But she wants smiles. So let me read you this poem, and as I am reading, I will also explain it to you. Listen and watch very carefully. Okay, children? If I knew where the smiles are kept, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard. What is the poet saying? That if she knew where the smiles are kept, no matter how large the key, she doesn't care how large the key is, even if it is heavy, it is huge, she will get the key. And no matter how strong the bolt is, कितना भी मजबूत बोल्ट क्यों ना हो, जैसे हम कुंडी कहते हैं ना, बहुत ज़ोर से लगी होती है, एंड व्हेन इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड you try your best to open it. Okay, in the same way, the poet is saying that no matter how large the key is and how strong the bolt is, she will try to open it so that she can get the smiles. Okay, and the poet is saying it would open, I know, for me. Why? Because she is very determined. वो बहुत पक्की है मन की कि वो कुछ भी हो, anything at all, no matter how hard, she will open the bolt, she will open the box where she can find the smiles. And let us see then what she will do. हम देखेंगे अब वो क्या करती हैं. Then in the fifth line, then over the land and sea broadcast, I'd scatter the smiles to play. What will she do? then she will, as soon as she gets those smiles, she will scatter them everywhere. So what do you mean by scatter? Do you know the meaning of scatter? Scatter means to drop something in different places. To drop something in different places, किसी चीज़ को बिखेर देना. And she will scatter the smiles everywhere on the sea broadcast. What do you mean by broadcast? To tell a lot of people about something. She will tell everything. She will send these smiles to everyone, and she will scatter it so that as many as children can have it. उसको उन स्माइल्स को वो ऐसे फैला देंगी ताकि सब जगह, हर जगह, सबको, सब बच्चों को, ताकि वो बच्चे खुश रहें. Okay, and then what she will do? I'd scatter the smiles to play so that the children can play with the smiles. Then that the children's faces might hold them fast for many and many a day, so that the children might take hold of the smile. वो उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे. They will catch hold of the smile. The children will not let the smile go anywhere. Hold means to carry something in one's hand or arms. She wants that when she scatters the smiles to every child, that they may hold the smile. Okay, उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे, अपने आप से लगा के रखेंगे, so that smiles are with them for many many days. When something is given to you, when somebody gives something to you which you like, don't you hold it? When some new gift is given to you on your birthday, sometimes you want to hold it so tightly, and even at night you sleep holding it tightly. Is it right? Yes. In the same way, this is what the poet wants. The poet wants that each child may hold the smile so tightly, so fast, and keep those smiles for many many days. And then let us see what the poet says next. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns. What do you mean by frowns? Do you know the meaning of frowns? Frowns means angry, serious, or worried expressions on a person's face that cause lines on the forehead. Frowns means when you are not happy, when you are upset, when you are angry, when you are sad, something you want and something you don't get it, and then you feel angry and frustrated. Somebody scolds you and you feel very sad, and there is a frown on your face, there is an anger on your face. Okay, this is what frowns means. So what is the poet saying? That if I knew a box, if she knows a box that was large enough, she wants to have a large box so that she can keep all the frowns I meet. Okay, she doesn't want the frowns on the children's faces. She doesn't want the frowns on a child's face. She wants to catch the frowns, take the frowns, and put them in a large box. She just wants to know if there is any box. Okay, and then she will keep those frowns in that box. I would gather them, everyone from nursery, school, and street. And what she will do? She will gather those frowns. बटोर लेंगे. Gather means बटोर लेना, इकट्ठा करना. From everyone, सब से. From nursery से, school and street, school से और street से, from everywhere she will gather those frowns, that sadness, that anger from every child. Okay, and then she would put them into the box. Then what she will do? Then folding and holding, I'd pack them in. What she will do? She will take the frowns, she will hold them, and she will fold them, and then she will pack them and put them in the box and turn the monster key, and then she will lock that box with a monster key. What do you mean by monster? Monster here in this poem means that a huge key, a big key, बहुत बड़ी सी. Monsters कैसे होते? बड़े से होते ना. So in the same way, she wants that she will lock it with a monster key. and hire a giant to drop the box to the depths of the deep, deep sea. And what she will do? She will hire a giant. What do you mean by hire? To give somebody a particular job. Okay, she will call a giant, she will hire him and tell that giant, see, take this box and take it to the depths of the sea. Okay, what is a giant? A huge man. Okay, a huge man, 7 feet or 8 feet tall, 9 feet tall. And ask that giant to take the box with full of frowns and take them to the depths of the sea. Okay, depths means सबसे नीचे. Depths means सबसे नीचे, बिल्कुल नीचे. The deepest parts of something, like a sea. Okay, the deepest part of the sea is known as depths of the deep, deep sea. Okay, so children, do you understand what the poet is trying to say? She's saying, if I knew a box, अगर मुझे मेरे पास एक बॉक्स होता, ऐसा एक बॉक्स होता, if I knew a box where the smiles are kept, I would I would open it and spread it everywhere. But on the other hand, she's saying, if I knew a large box, and then what she would do, she would put the frowns in that box. She's imagining about two boxes. Children, you have to understand that every time you read a poem, it is an imagination. Okay, it is an imagination. पोएम क्या होती है? एक इमेजिनेशन होता है, हम इमेजिन करते हैं कि ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा. सो इन द सेम वे दिस पोएट इज़ इमेजिनिंग अबाउट two boxes. If she knew that two boxes, the first box is, if she knew a box that which is full of smiles, she would open the box and spread those smiles. And on the other hand, if she knew a box that, then she would put in that box all the frowns and angers and sadness from children's faces, and she will put those frowns inside, lock them, and hire a giant and ask the giant to throw the box into the deep, deep sea. Okay, what does the poet want to tell us? That she wants children to be happy. She wants you, children, students, to be happy. She doesn't want any child to be sad. She wants every child to be happy, and to make a child happy, she will do anything. And to take away the sadness from a child's face, from a child's heart, she will do anything. She will take it away. वो क्या कहना चाहती हैं कि वो बच्चों की खुशी के लिए, बच्चों के चेहरे के ऊपर एक खुशी, एक मुस्कुराहट देखने के लिए वो कुछ भी करेंगी. और उसी तरीके से बच्चों के चेहरों पे जो एक दुख रहता है, उसको हटाने के लिए वो उसको एक डब्बे में, उनके दुख को एक डब्बे में बंद करके और उसको नीचे, समुद्र के नीचे नीचे एकदम फेंक देना चाहती हैं. इसका मतलब ये है कि वो नहीं चाहती हैं कि आप लोग, जो बच्चे हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो दुखी रहें. वो चाहती हैं कि आप लोग खुश रहें. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द पोएम? आई एम श्योर यू डू. Okay, children, and read this poem again and again and understand what the poet wants to say. The poet wants to say that she wants all the children to be very, very happy, and she doesn't want any child to be sad. Okay, children,